Do you ever feel like you're stuck in a cycle of financial stress and never seem to get ahead? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to delve deep into the 9 money habits that are keeping you away from achieving true financial freedom. Habit 1: Living beyond your means. It's easy to get caught up in the allure of instant gratification, but overspending can quickly derail your financial goals. Habit 2: Relying on credit cards. While convenient, high-interest credit card debt can bury you deeper in financial turmoil. Habit 3: Impulse spending. Those spontaneous purchases may provide temporary satisfaction, but they hinder your progress towards building wealth. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Habit 4: Neglecting savings. Saving money isn't just about setting aside spare change, it's a crucial step toward securing your financial future. Habit 5: Ignoring financial responsibilities. Whether it's avoiding bills or neglecting investments, postponing financial decisions only prolongs your path to financial freedom. Habit 6: Hoarding possessions. Clutter isn't just physical. Excess belongings can weigh down your finances and prevent you from focusing on what truly matters. Habit 7: Keeping up with the Joneses. Comparing your financial status to others can lead to unnecessary spending and dissatisfaction with your own achievements. Habit 8: Lack of financial goals. Without a clear vision of where you want to be financially, it's easy to drift aimlessly and miss out on opportunities for growth. Habit 9: Neglecting financial education. The key to financial freedom is knowledge, and by arming yourself with financial literacy, you pave the way for a more secure future. By recognizing and breaking these detrimental money habits, you take the first step towards achieving true financial freedom. Join me on this journey to financial empowerment. Stay tuned for more valuable insights and actionable tips.